Are you working hard but still not earning enough as a freelancer? Imagine being able to work smarter but not harder and finally build a freelance career that brings real reward. Well, here's your chance. I'm offering a free video series as a NextGen freelancer expert, highly sought after from my comprehensive trainings of over 10 years of smart work and $1 million in earnings on Upwork. Whether you are just starting out or struggling to get consistent work, this training will show you how to become a next-gen freelancer and thrive in today's competitive market. Don't miss out on this could be the game changer that you've been waiting for. How to join the waitlist for the free NextGen Freelancer training series. Click the link below this video. Click Join the Waitlist. Add your name and email. Click Yes to send. Check your email for confirmation. This will reserve your spot in the training series. Looking forward to seeing you on the other side.